Welcome, dear children. So today's topic is formation of adverbs. We have already done the adverbs, different kinds of adverbs and its position. Today we'll do how to form adverbs from other words. So we'll see how to form adverb from adjectives. Whenever we form something, usually we add either a suffix or prefix to it. Similarly here, the adjective verbs, how can they be turned into an adverb is what we'll see. So there are basically 5 rules to it. Rule number 1 is by adding ly. So if you add ly as a suffix to any of the adjectives, then you can change it into adverb, like peaceful, peacefully, slow, slowly. But this is not applicable to all adjectives. There are some adjectives that end in y. They have the ending letter y. So in that case, we remove y and we use ly. So like easy, ending with y, we have removed y and put I instead, and we have added ly to it. Similarly, lucky changes to luckily. Again, there are certain adjectives which end with ic. In such cases, we add the suffix ally. So basic becomes basically, dramatic ending with ic again becomes dramatically. Now rule number 4 is when the adjective ends with le and it has a consonant before it. In that case, we remove e and we add y in place of it. For example, able. It is ending with le and before le there is a consonant b. So in that case, we've removed e and we have added or we have replaced e with y. So able becomes ably. Same is the case with gentle. Gentle becomes gently. And the last rule for this is whenever an adjective ends with ical, in that case, we add ly simply to it. Like logical, we make it logically. Physical, we make it physically. So these are the 5 basic rules of forming adverbs from adjectives. There are many other rules. Let's see what those are. Now, there are certain adverbs which or there are certain words when we add word or words to it, then it becomes adverb. Like east, if we add word to it, it becomes eastward. Up, if we add words to it, upwards. So similarly, there are many other words wherein we can change a word into an adverb by simply adding word or words to it. Like we add word and words to some of the words to change it into adverb. Similarly, we can add wise to any of the nouns and other word that suggest manner or direction or reference. Then we can change it into adverb. Like clock, which is a noun, if we add wise to it, becomes clockwise. Length, which is again a noun, if we add wise to it, becomes lengthwise, which is again an adverb. So we can add wise to make a word or to change a word into an adverb. There are certain words which can act both as an adverbs and as well as adjective. Here we don't change the word basically, but we can change the usage. For example, early, fast, long, high, monthly, etc. So if you look at the example here, it states we walked on a straight road. Here straight is an adjective because it is describing road. Now I can use the same word straight without adding anything to it and use it as an adverb. Like we drove straight into the forest. Here straight is acting as an adverb because it is describing drove, which is a verb. Similarly, for fast, if I say I saw a fast train or I boarded a fast train. So fast here is describing a train. And the same fast can be used as an adverb. Like I saw or I boarded a fast train. Here fast is an adjective because it is describing the train. Here and now when I use the same fast as an adverb, I don't change the form of fast. We don't write fastly. There is no word as fastly. So please children, don't write, because many of you make this mistake of writing fast and the adverb form as fastly. So it's wrong. So when I have to use fast as an adverb, I can write he ran fast towards his destination. So here fast is describing ran, which is a verb. So there are many words wherein it doesn't change in its form, but it changes in its function. So some function as an adjective, some function as an adverb, but if you see, the words are same. Now this brings us to the end of our topic, that is formation of adverb. If you have any doubt or any query, you can ask us. Thank you.